Today I have something special to show you how to take everyday basic, okay? Yesterday I went to the Korean market. I found this cocoa bean. Guys, cocoa bean right here, 100% natural. This bag right here, they roasted, right? Only $3.99 for a bag, so I buy 2 bags. I'm so happy, jump up and down like a kid, you know. And I taste it's so good. You know, I take yesterday about 10 of them, and I go to the bathroom so good last night and sleep good, sleep well, and I feeling good. I used 10 yesterday, right? 6, 8. I'm gonna try to eat every day 10 of cocoa every morning and before sleep. Yep, right here. I'm eating this one in the breakfast, and I loving it, guys. When I eat the last night in the morning, I get up, I go to the bathroom just like a no time, and my stomach release. And this is I'm telling you the truth. I've been suffering for like my stomach is so piled up of the food, and I try to eat vegetable, everything, not ready to do all that much, you know. But when I take a cocoa, fresh cocoa like this yesterday, oh my god, I feel I'm on track, feel in the heaven. You know, I feel pain in my back and my leg. Today is the kind of release me. Guys, I wanna share with you. Go for it. Go get this coconut. 100% natural. Okay? If you go to Asian market, I don't know where they have that. I've been looking for this all my life, and I just found it. And I look at this, I see that, I said, oh my god. I said, bingo. And you know, I just wanna show you, and I saw it on the rack, right, on the side of the, you know, the sugar, brown sugar, or the natural stuff. And I found this, and I see this bag. I see that bag open a little bit, so I taste one piece. I taste one piece of the cocoa, like this. I said, let me taste it. It's not gonna hurt me anything, because I already think about cocoa, but I don't know how to get where to get. That's exactly what I say. I don't know. It all end up to the sugar cocoa. I don't want that, but I want pure sugar, like 100% natural, like just like this, guys. You go to the Lotte Asian market. They sell the Saxon, the Spanish. Maybe that's a good thing. You go to Spanish market. That's the best thing. And believe me or not, guys, I've been thinking about cocoa for a long time. I bought this cocoa from Sam's Club. They do taste bitter, but you know what? One bag about $15. I take all this almost. I take up and on. I don't really get serious about that. I just take a little bit. I realize I got the good stuff in my own house, and I don't even use them like everyday basic, you know. And I just make that this morning when I look at my cocoa, then I Google it, and I say cocoa is to make you stay younger and make your blood going good, and then make you digest. And then when I look at this, you know how many percent of this fiber? If I show you, right, 28%, guy, 28%. You cannot find 28% fiber. That's the way you find the cocoa. This is why I want to share, guy. And I jump up. I cannot believe I got this powder in my house, my kitchen, you know. And I power up. I just go ahead. I make this and I drink. If I want a little bit sugar, I bought this brown sugar. This brown sugar from sugar cane. A sugar cane, guy. They don't very sweet. They taste sweet, but not very deep sweet. Okay, they taste natural sweet. That's the sugar you want to eat, right? This is why I got it yesterday. I got this one yesterday. I'm so happy, guy. I wanna share. I just cannot wait to say. Not about I want to get the view or anything like that. I want to share. It's good stuff. I Google it this morning. They say the more you eat, the more you stay younger. Why we not going for this, right? You know, we're looking for the food to helping us to eat and have a digest and stay younger, and you know, we always say we eat sugar. That sugar number one that's a enemy for you. They always better say that. But sugar, you need some time. But you have to get sugar the way I got right here. This is I believe $4.99. Cane sugar, right, guys? Don't get white sugar the way I have. I have white sugar. I don't really want to take that. I just have white sugar, right? I don't really take sugar like that. But everyone blue moon, if I got my choice, I don't need to take no sugar at all. But this sugar right here, you can taste. in my opinion. And number one, I'm so happy about, guys, cocoa bean, roasted cocoa bean. Oh my God, I feel like I hit jackpot. I feel like hit jackpot $1 million, believe it or not. This right here, not easy to find, but something about, because my mind is always into the cocoa, but I don't know. I try to buy chocolates. They say 70% chocolate. I eat, and I don't really like that, you know. Then I take this one 100% cocoa. I take, they got bitter taste, okay, but I don't very realize this is the best one. I found it a year ago. This is all a year ago in my house, and I buy a whole bag one from Sam's Club. But then I realized this is already make powder for you, easy to put in the hot water, and then a little bit brown sugar in there. Then number one is I feel the real bean looking, and I'm loving it. That's why I want to share with you guys. Okay, this is everyday life you have to take. You know, I heard they say you can losing weight to eat this everyday basic, and then you know what? I get up. I went to the bathroom, clean out empty stomach, and I feel more energy. You know, I eat good every day, but that's the problem. Something about I don't really clean up the way I want to clean up. You know, they're talking about, oh, okay, you can eat sesame seed, and they go buy sesame seed. Sesame seed, I buy, but don't get me wrong, sesame seed is good. Okay, I eat that too. They say sesame seed good. I eat it for whole full amount every day, like a lot, you know. But everything had to be benefit. I eat, but the cocoa right here is a right way. Just show you. See, I buy sesame oil. They say 100%, and everything good. I always buy, you know. But number one is, guys, you don't believe me. This is hit the jackpot right here. But you can eat everything I just say, but they're not ready like go right away just helping like that. They say eat the nuts good, everything good. This is nut, you know what I mean? And you know, but it's a show you right away just like overnight. And this cocoa bean, go ahead, go get some, don't waste no time, because 2020 right now, almost 2021 coming up. I think everybody should think about our body, taking care. Even if we want to live longer life, I think we should talk to this cocoa powder morning and before go sleep. Go for it. You know, coffee doesn't do nothing for you. Take this cocoa, hot water, and drink. Put a little sugar. You want some sweetness a little bit. This is natural sugar, not even sweet like you thought. That's a deep salty sweet. It's so good. Not sweet like crazy sweet. This is like a 9-tone sweet. Guy, you wanna using sugar, you go palm sugar, okay? You wanna eat coffee don't really do nothing for you. That you think coffee can give you like energy, wake up? Not very. Go for cocoa. I gonna take 10 bean today, this morning. I'm take 10 bean, then I drink my cocoa drink right here. Please look at this and Google it. What's the benefit? If you want to lose weight and you want to stay younger, and this one for you, I believe 100%. Okay, guys, because it make me feel so good. My back hurt. My back hurt, pain to the all way to my leg, right? And I feel suffer. I will go sleep. But last night when I eat this, oh my God, I sleep good and go up, clean up empty stomach. I feel like fresh, brand new in my stomach. You know, this is so important. Alright guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Anything else come up good, I will share with you more and more, because I love healthy food and stay young and digest. I'm looking for stuff like that, and I found it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next video. Guys, see you later. Bye bye. Love you all.